Hello everyone, I am Marie and welcome to my studio. Today I am going to swatch this gouache and see how it is. So let's get started. I made a grid here for the colors. Oh, I don't have the water. Have to get it. And, 4, 6, 8. I have some water here. It's not all clean, but it's okay. And let me get some paper. Clean. All right. I'll just use the round. Okay. Start here. But that looks so nice. I like the gold, this pinkish one. The neons are all wonderful. This pink is just absolute. Yeah. And if you know of a gouache artist that you can recommend, because I don't know much about gouache, and if you know if I have to mix this, I think the logical thing to do is to mix them, but I'm not going to do it now. I'm gonna research first and then do that. So that is this gouache. So I'm going to have fun with it, I'm sure. So that was it, guys. This is the colors, and I'm gonna have fun playing with this. And so I hope that that you got something out of it. If you were thinking on getting this. So see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.